What is up guys, Stan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect the Finals account to your Steam, PlayStation, Xbox or Twitch. So let's get started. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar you need to type in Embark and then you will need to hover to your Embark ID sign-in website, which is this Embark ID sign in website. Click on this and then you will be redirected to the Embark sign in page. From here, you have multiple options to sign in or to log in with your platform like Steam, Epic Games, PlayStation, Xbox. You can start from whichever software you would like to log in. I'll start from Steam. And when you click on Steam, you will require your Steam credentials like your ID and password to log in with your Embark ID. And when you are done, when I click on sign in, I will create a new Embark ID and then I will integrate my Steam in it. Don't worry guys, integrating a single software, you can even integrate all your other softwares simultaneously one by one. After that, you can see I have signed on my Embark ID, and when I click on this connected platforms, this will show me all my connected platforms. And when you click on connected platforms, you can link and unlink all your platforms from here. Let's say I have connected Steam in front of your eyes, and after that, if I want to connect my Xbox, I'll just simply click on link and I will link my Xbox to my Embark by just simply giving my Xbox account details like my Xbox ID, password, and other credentials. So this is how you can connect the Finals account to Steam, Xbox, PlayStation, or Twitch, whatever you'd like. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.